This is a used 2010 Nissan Armada, powered by rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.